Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing good. So today in this video, we'll be discussing another problem of our Blind 75 series. And the problem of the day is problem 49, group anagrams. So here we have been given an array of strings, that's strs as an input, and we have to group the anagrams together. And also we can return the answer in any order. So let's first see what an anagram is. An anagram is a word or phrase formed by rearranging the letters of a different word or phrase, typically using all the original letters exactly once. So in the given example, as we can see, NAT and TAN are anagrams. Similarly, ATE, EAT, TEE. So these all are anagrams because each of the letter only appears the same number of times in both of the strings. So we have to figure out a way to solve this problem. And for this, we'll be using the Lifesaver dictionary. So what we'll do is we'll first declare a default dict. Let's say our dict. And what we'll do is we'll start traversing to our array strs, or let's say strings. And for each string, let's say for the first string that is given to us is eat or EAT, what we'll do is we'll create an array of zeros of length 26. So it will be from 0 to 25. And we'll just update the value at the positions of the letters. So let's say we have A, so we'll make this as 1, then we'll make, let's say this one's for E, so this will be 1 again. Similarly, let's say this one's for T, so this will be 1 again. So by doing this, we'll have a sequence. And for any other anagram of eat, let's say 8, we'll have a similar sequence because the number of letters or the number of elements in this string remains same and the same elements are used. So the sequence would be same. So what we'll do is we'll use this tuple. Yes, correct. Use this tuple as the key, and we'll store all the strings having this key as its values, and we'll just return the values. So doing this, what we'll have is a list of all the anagrams as given in the output. And also why I'm using tuple is because tuples are immutable. Tuples are immutable, something that you should remember. And list cannot be, can never be the key of our dictionary, as list is mutable or changeable. So now let's deep dive into our code. So what we have to do is first initialize our result, and we'll say default dict list, and then I'll start traversing each of the string in our array. And what I'll do is keep a count, and that will be for each letter in the 26th letter of our alphabet. Then for character in our current string S, I'll update the count. And how I'll do this is use odd of character, but I'll subtract the odd of letter A. I'm doing this to make it fix into the zero indexing system, and I'll just increment the value by 1 for each letter. Then after completing for each character, what I'll do is just use its tuple as the key and append the value of the string. So this will help us in creating the same key value pair that I was talking in the explanation. And after that, we just have to return the values in our dictionary res. And let's see our solution. Fingers crossed. Global name list. My bad, it should be small s. I hope it should run right now. And yeah, as we can see, this is a pretty efficient solution. I hope you guys understood the concept. Thank you and have a nice day.